Discover your perfect retreat in this enchanting A-frame home. This quiet haven is situated on nearly 7.5 acres and surrounded by 964 acres of private land that can be used for hiking or exploring. Follow the long private drive to your dream sanctuary. Revel in the abundance of natural light, walls of windows, and the vaulted wood beam ceilings. Connect with nature from your wraparound deck. Or enjoy the delightful kitchen with a cooking island and walnut counter eating bar, double ovens, pantry, and bamboo flooring. A second living space also offers a slider to the deck and vaulted ceilings, plus a wet bar for entertaining. You'll find a generously sized main-level primary suite with a large walk-in closet and an updated ensuite bath with a tiled shower and a luxurious freestanding soaking tub, plus another full bath. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home of more than 3,000 square feet also includes an inviting loft, potential for a separate living space downstairs with a bedroom, full bath, and private access. Savor the forest and valley views and gorgeous sunsets from your deck. In addition to fenced trees, pastures, and a seasonal pond, you'll find multiple outbuildings for storage or workshops. Plenty of parking and room for your animals. Embrace the harmony of nature. Your private retreat is ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.